What's up? Zach here again for another video. Today, I will show you how to install Windows 10 to your computer using a bootable flash drive. I actually made a video prior to this one on how to create Windows 10 bootable flash drive, so you can check it out first. So I'm going to install Windows 10 on this computer. It's actually the computer na pinaparaffle na po natin. Okay? This is the monitor. This is actually the monitor na kasama ng raffle, hindi yung black. Yung peripherals nila. So let's start. Now all we need to do is change the boot sequence in the BIOS to be able to boot from that USB flash drive. When you boot your PC, you'll look for something like this. Mine is an Asus motherboard, so the default key to enter the UEFI or the BIOS setup is F2 or is the delete key. So we are now in the UEFI or the BIOS setup. Yours will be different if you're not using an Asus motherboard. Just look for the boot section and it should look something like this, where you will need to prioritize your bootable USB flash drive with the OS. Now, choose your Windows setup. Mine uses a 64-bit. So just wait for it to load. Yours may have this, so check it out to move around your BIOS. Then press F10 to save and continue. Once you save the settings, the computer will restart and it will boot from the USB flash drive. From here, you can just follow the on-screen instructions. So choose your preferred language, time, and keyboard input. Next, install now. Enter your product key to activate your Windows. I don't have it, so I'm just going to skip this step. Here, select Windows 10 Pro or the OS you are going to install. Then hit Next. Accept the license terms, then hit Next. In here, select Custom Install Windows Only Advanced. And this is how it looks if you previously have an OS installed. You will see different partitions and a primary partition type. I'm going to delete all of them because I have nothing in this computer. But if you have files, make sure you back them up first. So select on each one of them, then delete. You can also just delete where your OS is installed to save your files on other drives. If you don't know which drive your OS is installed because you have multiple drives, it is best to unplug them first except the drive or storage where your OS is installed. So, I just finished deleting or cleaning my drives, so they should look like this. I have a 120 gig SSD and a 500 HDD, and I want my OS in my SSD for it to boot faster. I will now select on it, then hit Next. But clicking on Next will also automatically format and install Windows 10 because Windows cannot be installed on a non-formatted drive. Installing your Windows could take a while, so I'm going to fast forward this. After installing your OS, your system will restart your computer. Now you should enter the UEFI or the BIOS setup to now change the boot priority back to the drive where you just installed your OS. Or in this case, I just removed my flash drive from my computer. In this step, I just selected US for region because it is the standard format. Hit Next. I chose US format for the keyboard. Hit Next. If you don't have internet, just choose this. Skip it. You can skip this one too. Name your PC. Okay, next. You can just skip that one by clicking next. So I uncheck this so that they will not collect any data. Okay, click no, accept. You can also skip this by clicking that now. Installing Windows 10 to your PC using a bootable flash drive is extremely fast. It actually won't take you more than 5 minutes to install. Now, congratulations, you now installed your operating system to your computer by yourself. You can now start customizing your computer and make sure you update your OS when you have an internet connection. This BIOS setup is actually a bit old, so I will make another video in the future where I will install an OS to a more modern UEFI or a BIOS setup if I have a customer with a mid or high-end PC. But this tutorial will work for most users. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Consider hitting the like button if it did, subscribe and hit that bell button for more tech or tech support videos just like this one.